So hey there everybody and welcome to the channel. Sorry I haven't been posting too much here. This is a brand new channel and we're coming into the holiday season here in Arizona. So, Black Friday for the classes I sell online and still doing other client work. And so just this morning, I think we're gonna start doing some random video posts, talking about Gen X tech, so all the tools that we've evolved with over the past decades, and some pretty amazing tools to be honest. So back in the day, in the 90s, I worked for Sprint PCS and then AT&T Wireless. I was a network design engineer, so we were building out switching centers for today's modern wireless, okay? So I was on the LAN side, the connections out of the switch and out to the rest of the world, and the connections that got us out to our cell towers. And a lot of that work, while we had people in the switching centers, we also had an engineering office with engineers, radio frequency engineers, marketing folks, all of it. And one of the things that started getting driven home to me really quickly in 1996 was that I could do my job from my home. As we were building out the switching networks, we had to also build out the voicemail applications, the texting applications. All of these things resided, of course, in the switching center, right? And so we'd do the jobs there, we'd drive in, but we didn't have to. So I remember at the end of 1996, we had a bad storm come through. It took out some of the cell towers, it wreaked a lot of havoc. And I had just gotten home from the office, from my hour-and-a-half drive from the office. And I got into my living room, sat down, popped open my laptop, and logged into the switch, and logged into the voicemail platform, and logged into the digital access, the DAX. It's a digital access cross connect. So all of this stuff I was able to do from my home office. I did not have to be in the building. And often I would find myself driving from location to location depending on what my bosses needed. So I'd be in Wakefield, Mass sometimes. I'd be in Woburn, Mass sometimes. I'd be down near Cape Cod sometimes. And I'd also be down at our other switching center, which was near the New England Patriots. Their Gosh, I'm losing words here. New England Patriots football field. There we go. And driving down there sometimes was a nightmare if I had to get down to the switch. And there were lines of cars going in for a football game that day. But the biggest thing that I came away with was I don't need to go to any of these places unless I need to physically turn something, pop a new card in. Everything else could be done remote. And that's 96. That's kind of amazing. So what I've been working on over the past couple of weeks here, I've been doing some new classes. And so that's one of the other big things is, that you can create and host courses for folks. I do classes on drone work, and now I'm doing classes on how to build your own classes as well. So if you've ever wanted to build something on YouTube or on Udemy or on Teachable, I've been putting a class together on that. So that can be a full-time career for a lot of people, is just generating new videos, new video courses, teaching people how to do video, photography, GIS, learn about network systems, learn about survey engineering. It's all available on the net now, and it's all being developed by people who are most likely also working from home and putting these classes together from home and showing people how they can, utilize this software and hardware to achieve their own goals, whether it's teaching courses or whether it's taking courses from folks. So that's been another item that we've been working on, and we're just about set there. So when that class is ready, I'll pop it up so that you guys can see it. I'm probably going to be launching it on my other platform though. So, this is a real casual conversation today, I'd say. And, just wanted to talk about the fact that since the mid-90s and probably earlier, we've mostly been able to work remote. So, and during the pandemic and the issues that went on with the pandemic, a lot of people started teaching online classes or taking online classes to develop skills in something else. And it's readily available to us today. We don't need some kind of accredited university or anything. You can put these videos together, you can host them on platforms that are available for you. And so whether it's teaching classes or taking classes. But this is a huge change in how we do things. A lot of businesses are asking their folks to come back to work in the offices, even though they're accomplishing all their tasks remote. But we'll see how that goes over time, and we'll see, how much more we talk about it here. But if you're interested to know about more remote work, online classes for folks to do remote work, be sure to pop a note down below. By the way, I am trying to get to 50 subscribers, only 50 subscribers. And at the time that we get to 50 subscribers, I will be allowed to do, be allowed to create live streams. So then I can actually be on the computer, or here in the office, however we want to do it. And we can do live streams where you can actually pop up questions, and we'll see the live feeds go by. And when we start doing those, I think Jody's going to be in here as well with us, putting live streams together, answering questions for you, and getting topic ideas from you as well. What cool things have you seen, physical tech, software, what have you seen that's really changed how you do your work over the past couple of decades? All right, everyone, I've got to go check out those online courses that I was talking to you about and get a couple other things set up. And, our other channel is AZ Drone on YouTube. And there you can find all of our tutorials that we do. And so stop by and say hello over there as well. All right, everybody, we'll see you later. And I hope this one was a little interesting to you. And we'll start getting into a groove here. I'll start trying to remember, hey, it's only 15 minutes, and then we can get back to the regular work of the day. All right, everybody, we'll see you.